Space is silent, right? Wrong. Space might look serene, but it's full of strange sounds. And take Saturn, for example. Its rings hum with electromagnetic waves. And Jupiter, it sings eerie radio emissions thanks to its intense radiation belt. But wait, there's more. Scientists have even recorded the haunting whistles from lightning on other planets. It's like an interstellar symphony up there. All right, space enthusiasts, time for a quick quiz. Which planet's sound is often described as a roar? A, Mars, B, Jupiter, or C, Venus? Got your answer? It's B, Jupiter. Those powerful radio waves create a roaring noise unlike anything on Earth. So next time you gaze at the stars, remember, space isn't just a visual wonder, it's an auditory adventure too. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cosmic curiosities.